Hello friends, I am Brakumar Meena from Japan Engineering College, Mechanical Engineering Department. Today's e-learning topic is gyroscopic couple theory of machine. Introduction. We when a body is moved along a curved path with a uniform linear velocity, a force in the direction of centripetal acceleration. Now as a centripetal force as to apply externally over the body so that it moves along the required curved path. This external force applied is known as active force. Then second one, when a body itself is moving with uniform linearly velocity along a circular path, it is subjected to centrifugal force radially outward. This centrifugal force is called a reactive force. The action of centrifugal forces is to tilt or move the body along the radially outwards. Topics: Introduction and Precisional angular motion, a gyroscopic couple, effect of gyroscopic couple on a naval ship during steering, effect of gyroscopic couple on naval ship during the pitching, effect of gyroscopic couple on airplane, terms used in naval ship, effect of gyroscopic couple on naval ship during the rolling, stability of a four-wheel drive moving in a curved path. Whenever the effect of any force of or couple over a moving or rotating body is to be considered, it should be with respect to the reactive force or couple and not with respect to active force or couple. Centrifugal force is equal to magnitude to centripetal force but opposite in direction. Gyroscopic will resistant movement in this direction. Precisional angular motion. We have already discussed that the angular acceleration is the rate of change of with respect to time. It is vector quantity and may be respected by drawing a vector diagram with help of right hand rule. Consider a disk as shown in figure revolving the spinning about the axis OX, known as the axis of spin in anticlockwise when seen from a front with a angular velocity in a plane at right angle to the paper. Components of angular acceleration is the direction of OX. Alpha t is equals to xr upon delta t is, is equals to OR minus OX upon delta t. OX dash cos delta theta minus OX upon delta t. Then finally, components of angular acceleration in the direction of OX is equals to omega cos delta theta plus delta theta cos delta theta minus omega and delta t. Since delta theta is very small, therefore the substituting cos delta theta is equals to 1. We have alpha t is equals to delta omega t upon delta t. In the limit when delta t is equals to 0, then d omega t upon dt, and alpha c is equals to omega delta theta upon delta t. Therefore, limit when delta t is equals to 0, then finally omega multiplied by omega p. The total angular acceleration of the disk vector x-axis is equals to vector sum of alpha t is multiply and delta c. Gyroscopic couple. Consider a disk spinning with a angular velocity omega radian per second about the axis of the spin OX in anti-clockwise direction when the seen from the front as shown in figure. Since the plane in which the disk is rotating parallel to the plane y or z, therefore is called the plane of the spinning. Axis of the precision, let I is equals to mass moment of inertia of the disk about OX. Omega is equals to angular velocity of the disk. Then finally angular moment of the disk is equals to I omega. Change in the angular moment is equals to I omega delta theta, and the rate of change of angular moment I omega multiplied by delta theta upon delta t. Then c is equals to I, since the rate of change of angular moment will result by the application of the couple of the disk. Therefore, the couple applied to the disk cosine precision C is equals to I omega dot omega P. Delta theta upon delta T is equals to delta omega P. The couple of I multiplied by omega P in the direction of the vector I x axis representing the change in angular moment in the active gyroscopic couple, which has to apply over the disk when the axis of spin is made to rotate with angular velocity omega p about the axis of precision. First one example: a uniform disk of the diameter 300 mm and mass 5 kg is mounted on one end of an arm of length 600 mm. The other end of the arm is free to rotate in a universal bearing. If the disk rotates about the arm with a speed of 300 rpm clockwise, look from the front with what speed the precision about the vertical axis. Then finally find out the omega p is equals to 29.43 oblique 1.76 radian per second. Effect of gyroscopic couple on a airplane. C is equals to the gyroscopic couple active on the aeroplane. Then C is equals to I dot omega p. Terms used in naval ship. First one is the stern or aft, port and starboard, steering, pitching and rolling. Effect of gyroscopic couple of naval ship during the pitching of the naval ship, pitching upward, pitching downwards. Effect of gyroscopic couple of naval ship during the pitching. Angular displacement of the axis of spin from the position after t time. Then omega t is equals to 2 pi upon tp. Angular velocity of precision omega p is equals to phi omega 1 cos omega 1 t. Stability of the four-wheel drive moving the curve path. Road active over each wheel is equals to W upon 4 mg upon 4 newtons. Let us now consider the effect of the gyroscopic couple and centrifugal couple on the vehicle. Effect of gyroscopic couple: since we will take the turn towards left due to a precision and other rotating parts, therefore a gyroscopic couple will act. We know that the velocity of precision omega p is equals to v upon r. Gyroscopic couple due to the four wheel. See W is equals to 4 I omega IW omega W dot omega P. Then finally net gyroscopic couple C is equals to omega W dot omega P multiplied by 4 I W plus minus G I E. Effect of centrifugal couple FC is equals to M multiplied by V square upon R. Therefore, finally, total vertical reaction at each of the inner wheel P1 is equals to W upon 4 minus P minus 2 minus Q upon 2. Then assignment questions, and thank you friends.